One who transforms oneself in slave of habit, repeating every day the same itineraries, who does not change brand, does not risk to wear a new color, and doesn't talk to whom one doesn't know, dies slowly. One who avoids a passion, who prefers black to white and the dots on the eye to a whirlpool of emotions, emotions that recover the gleam from the eyes, smiles from the yawns, hearts pounding from the stumbles and feelings, dies slowly. One who does not overthrow the table when unhappy at work, who does not risk the certain for the uncertain, to follow the dream that is keeping one awake, who does not allow at least one time in life to flee from sensate advices, dies slowly. One who does not travel, read, or listen to music, who does not find grace in oneself. One who destroys self-love, who does not accept help, who passes their days complaining the rain that never stops, who abandons a project before starting it, who does not ask over a subject that one does not know, or who does not answer when being asked about something he knows. One who does not share one's emotions, joys, and sadness, does not trust or even try, who does not love and let someone love. Let's avoid death in small quotes, remembering always that to be alive demands an effort much bigger than that simple fact of breathing. Only a burning patience will lead to the attainment of a splendid happiness.